Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Kyocera printer to Wi-Fi. First, ensure your printer is powered on and within a good range of your wireless router, ideally within about 10 to 15 feet. You will also need your Wi-Fi network name and its exact password ready. Confirm your computer or smartphone is connected to this same network for a smoother setup experience. Now, let's access the printer's main menu. Locate the System menu or simply Menu button on your printer's control panel and press it. Use the arrow keys to scroll through the available options until you find Network Settings or an equivalent Wi-Fi setup choice. Press the OK button to confirm your selection and proceed to the next step. Next, we will connect to your wireless network. Within the network settings, choose Wireless LAN Setup or Wi-Fi Setup. Then, select Search for Network to see a list of available networks. Pick your specific Wi-Fi name from this list. Carefully enter your network's password using the printer's control panel keypad and press OK to establish the connection. Once you have entered your password, the printer should display a message confirming a successful connection to your Wi-Fi network. To verify this, try printing a test page directly from your computer or smartphone. Additionally, you can check the printer's network status report to ensure it has correctly received an IP address, indicating it's fully online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.